Welcome to Math with Miss Stacy. In this video, we're going to be talking about using FOIL to multiply parentheses. FOIL is another way or a mnemonic to help you remember how to use the distributive property when you're dealing with parentheses. So FOIL means first, outside, inside, and last. I'll do a couple of examples here for you. My first example is 2x plus 5 in parentheses times the quantity y minus 7 equals. So we're going to take the first two. We're going to take the 2x times y would be 2xy. Remember, right by is multiply. And then the outside. So the 2x times the negative 7 would be negative 14x. You have to watch the signs. That is a negative 7 when we're multiplying because the negative sign or subtraction sign is in front of it. Then we have the inside. So positive 5 times y would be plus 5y. And then 5 times negative 7 would be minus 35. Okay, so we distributed by using the FOIL method to multiply parentheses. Next, we have x minus 6, the quantity in parentheses, times the quantity y plus 2. So we have the first, x times y equals xy. The outside, x times 2, it's positive 2, so we have positive 2x. Then the inside, we have negative 6 times y would be negative 6y, and negative 6 times 2 would be negative 12. So FOIL stands for first, outside, inside, and last. If you had more terms inside your parentheses, you would have to keep multiplying until each term in each parenthesis is multiplied by each term in the other parenthesis. Okay, it's time for our affirmations. Say them with me. I can learn math. I can learn anything. I can learn math. I can learn anything. Have a great day.